Hi there, this is Paige, who is Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you the card that I made for the Fancy Fold card collab that I'm doing with Jerry, who is Crafty Stash here on YouTube. And each month we find a fancy fold card design that catches our eye and we recreate it in our own way. So for this month I had watched a video from Wendy Cranford. She is a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Her website is lovinstampin.com, and she recently did a video where she showed 3 different ways to make easel cards. And then on her website she had a PDF giving the measurements and instructions for each of the 3 different easel cards, and I chose number 3, which she is calling a double easel. Now at the same time I've been going through my paper pumpkin kits. Some kits I store the cards in that I've already made, and so there's just bits and pieces left, and some kits I haven't worked on yet, which is a collab I'm doing with Linda Kaufman here on YouTube. And then some kits just have they're partially done. So anyway, I pulled out Broadway Star, which had a few bits and pieces left, and I decided to use what was in this box for my Fancy Fold card this month. And this is what I came up with. Now the paper pumpkin kit had coordinating envelopes, so I just put an envelope with my card. But here is the double easel card. It stands up like that. So here's the front. These are all the pieces from the Broadway Star collection. I believe the black and white stripe was a card base, and I just cut it apart into pieces and used my own white cardstock for the card bases. Layered it with some lovely lipstick cardstock. This was a piece from the card kit, as was the black and the Hooray and the It's Your Day was from the stamp set in the kit. The pearls and the sequins were from the kit, and so was the little die-cut cake and candles. And I just went over the cake with some Nuvo glitter gloss pen. And then this pretty twine right here was from the kit. And then the card base. So here's a scrap of the paper, and then some more lovely lipstick cardstock, and then some white. So basically you're taking two 4 1/4 by 11 inch pieces of cardstock. You're scoring 1.5 the regular way at 5 1/2. The second one you're scoring at 5 1/2 and 2 3/4. And then you're gluing one card base to the other. So you've got the little easel part back here and the easel part in the front. So really fun card to make, an easy card to make, and I love how it stands and displays on your desk. So that is my project for this month. I hope you like it. I will leave a link down below to Jerry's channel so that you can check out her Fancy Fold cards for this month. And now I'm off to create.